Right now, somewhere in the universe, a planet might be watching its sunset through an alien sky. Oceans could be moving, clouds could be forming, something could be breeding. And for the first time in human history, we are actually building machines capable of finding it. For decades, people imagined alien life as fiction, little green men flying around the universe. But real science doesn't work like movies. It works slowly and requires lots of time and effort. But that science is currently accelerating, and it's getting strong enough to detect alien life. That sounds crazy, but let me explain. A lot of people ask the same question. If aliens are real, why haven't we found them? The answer is simple. Space is unbelievably big. If the Milky Way were the size of North America, our entire solar system would fit inside a coffee cup. And until recently, our technology was basically blinded. For most of human history, we didn't know that other solar systems have planets. Not because they weren't there, but because our technology was too weak. Trying to see a planet beside a star is like trying to spot where your dad went. Almost impossible. But not so long ago, we discovered exoplanets, other planets orbiting other suns. Today, we know of thousands of them, and statistically, there are probably billions, if not trillions. Some are giant gas planets, others are frozen wastelands, but a few sit in the habitable zone. Not too hot, not too cold. The region where liquid water could theoretically exist. And wherever we find liquid water on Earth, we find life. Life in volcanic vents, life buried deep underground. Earth keeps teaching us the same thing. Life is supposedly pretty simple. So why haven't we found aliens? Because finding life across interstellar distances is absurdly difficult. Imagine standing thousands of kilometers away, trying to figure out whether a single house has a person inside. That's basically what we're doing. But new telescopes are about to change everything. The James Webb Telescope already studies the atmospheres of distant planets, not by photographing the planet itself, but by analyzing tiny traces of light. When a planet passes in front of its star, some starlight passes through the atmosphere, and hidden inside that light are chemical fingerprints: oxygen, methane, water vapor, molecules that on Earth are connected to life. And the James Webb Telescope is only the beginning. NASA is already planning even more powerful telescopes, machines designed specifically to search for biosignatures, possible signs of alien life. Projects like the Habitable Worlds Observatory could directly image Earth-like planets around nearby stars. Think about how crazy this is. Not fiction, not AI, actual worlds. Tiny dots orbiting distant suns. And if the telescope finds possible signs of biosignatures, it could mean something is alive there. Maybe not intelligent civilizations, however, probably microbes exist on these planets. But even that would change civilization forever, because the moment we discover life somewhere else, Earth stops being the only place where life is known to exist. For centuries, humans looked at the night sky and wondered, are we alone? And now, for the first time, we are finally building telescopes capable of answering that question. Maybe we won't find alien life in the next year, nor the next, but one thing is for sure. For the first time in history, finding alien life is possible. And somewhere out there right now, under an alien sky, something might already be alive, waiting for us to notice.